Is your TikTok loading too slow on your iPhone? This can happen due to a weak internet connection, app issues, or device storage problems. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix slow loading issues in TikTok on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload TikTok app. First, open up Settings. Then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. Check your software updates. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see software updates are available, tap your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Then, enter the passcode if your iPhone needs. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can fix slow loading issues in TikTok on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.